Hey everyone, let's solve something that looks super simple but confuses almost everyone. Here's the question, 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. Now, most people do this. 6 minus 6 equals 0, then 0 times 6 equals 0, then 0 minus 6 equals negative 6, and they proudly say the answer is 0 or negative 6. But guess what? That's completely wrong. Why? Because they forgot one golden rule, the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS or BODMAS. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And you always follow it from left to right. All right, let's solve it the right way. The question again, 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. There are no parentheses or exponents, so we start with multiplication. That means 6 times 6 equals 36. Now our expression becomes 6 minus 36 minus 6. Next, we go left to right for subtraction. 6 minus 36 equals negative 30, and negative 30 minus 6 equals negative 36. So the final correct answer is negative 36, not 0. Pretty sneaky, right? That's how easily math can trick you if you forget the order of operations. Now it's your turn. Solve this one in the comments. 4 minus 4 times 2 minus 2. Let's see who really understands PEMDAS. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math tricks like this. See you in the next one. Take care and keep learning.